أهلا بكم في كايرو دار. Dear student of the third year of the secondary stage, revision on statistics. Number 1, if A and B are two mutually exclusive events of a sample space S of a random experiment where probability of A equal 0.38 and the probability of B equal 0.43, then find number 1, probability of A dash, number 2, probability of A difference B, number 3, probability of A dash intersection B dash. Solution. B of A dash equals 1 minus B of A equals 1 minus 0.38 equals 0.62. Number 2, B of A difference B equals B of A minus B of A intersection B equals 0.38 minus 0 equals 0.38. Number 3, P of A dash intersection B dash equals B of A union B all dash equals 1 minus B of A union B equals 1 minus B of A plus B of B minus B of A intersection B equals 1 minus 0.38 plus 0.43 plus 0 equals 0.19. Question number 2. If A and B are two events of a sample space S of random experiment where A subset of B, and if probability of A equals 2/5 and probability of A union B equals 4/5, then find number 1, probability of B, number 2, probability of A dash intersection B, number 3, probability of A intersection B dash. Solution. Number 1, since A subset of B. Therefore, P of B equals probability of A union B equals 4 over 5. Number 2, probability of A dash intersection B equals probability of B minus or difference A equals probability of B minus probability of A intersection B equals 4 over 5 minus 2 over 5 equals 2 over 5. Number 3, probability of A intersection B dash equals probability of A minus or difference B equals probability of A minus probability of A intersection B equals 0. Question number 3. If A and B are two events of a sample space S of a random experiment, and if probability of A equals 0.3 and probability of B equals 0.5 and probability of A dash union probability of B dash equals 0.7, then find the probability of number 1, occurrence of at least one event, number 2, occurrence of only A. Since probability of A dash union B dash equals probability of A intersection B equals 1 all dash equals 1 minus probability of A intersection B equals probability of A intersection B equals 1 minus 0.7 equals 0.3. Solution number 1. Probability of at least one event equals B of A union B equals B of A plus B of B minus B of A intersection B equals 0.6 plus 0.5 minus 0.8 equals 0.3 equals 0.8. Number 2, probability equals P of A difference B equals P of A minus P of A intersection B equals 0.6 minus 0.3 equal 0.3. Question number 4. If x is discrete random variable with probability distribution given by this table, x equal -2, 1, 2, 4, f of x equal 1 over 8, 2k, 1 over 2, 1 over 8. Find the value of k. Letter B, find the mean and the standard deviation of the variable x. Letter C, find the coefficient of variation. Solution. Since 1 over 8 plus 2k plus half plus 1 over 8 equals 1. Therefore, k equals 1 over 8. Letter B, find the mean and the standard deviation. We must form the table, which formed from 4 columns. First column, value of x, which equals -2, 1, 2, 4. Second column, f of x, which equal 1 over 8, 1 over 4, 1 over 2, 1 over 8. Third column, which equals first column by second column. -2 by 1 over 8 equal -1 over 4. 1 by 1 over 4 equal 1 over 4. 2 by half equal 1. 4 by 1 over 8 equals 1 over 2. Sum of third column equal 1.5. Fourth column, -2 by -1 over 4 equal half. 1 by 1 over 4 equal 1 over 4. 2 by 1 equal 2. 4 by half equal 2. Sum of fourth column equal 4.75. From the table, mu equal sum of third column, which equal 1.5. Sigma power 2, which called variance, equal fourth column, which equal 4.75, minus mu power 2, which equal 1.5 all power 2, which equals 2.5. The sigma standard deviations equal square root of 2.5 equals 1.58. Coefficient of variation, coefficient of variation equals sigma over mu by 100, means 1.58 over 1.5 by 100% equals 105.41%. Question number 6. Let x be continuous random variable with probability density function f of x equal 2 over 27 x plus 1, where 2 smaller than or equal x smaller than or equal 5. F of x equal 0, otherwise prove that f of x is the density function for the random variable x. Number 2, find the probability of x greater than 3. Solution. Number 1, probability of 2 smaller than or equal x smaller than or equal 5 equals half function of 2 plus function of 5 by 3. We must draw this figure. F of x when x equal to 3, 4, 5 on y-axis, 6 over 27 . 12 over 27 equals half 6 over 27 plus 12 over 27 by 3 equals half. Simplest form 2 over 9 plus 4 over 9 by 3 equals 1. Therefore, f of x is a probability density function. Yes. Number 2, P of x greater than 3 equals P of 3 smaller than x smaller than 5 equals half f function of 3 plus function of 5 by 2 equals half 8 over 27 plus 12 over 27 by 2 equals 20 over 27. Question number 7. If x is continuous random variable, its density function is f of x equal x minus 1 over k, where 1 smaller than or equal x smaller than or equal 5, f of x equals 0 otherwise. Letter A, find the value of k. Letter B, find probability of 2 smaller than x smaller than 3. Since f of 1 equal 1 minus 1 over k equal 0, and f of 5 equals 4 over k, therefore half of f of 0 plus a function of 5 by 5 minus 1 equals 1. Therefore, half function of 0 equals 0 plus function of 5 equal 4 over k. 5 minus 1 equal 4 equals 1. Therefore, 8 over k equals 1. Therefore, k equals 8. Letter B, probability of 2 smaller than x smaller than 3 equals half function of 2 plus function of 3 by 1 equals half by 1 over 8. Function of 2 equal 1 over 8 plus function of 3 equal 2 over 8 by 1 equals 3 over 16. Question number 8. Let x be a normal random variable with mean mu equal 8 and standard deviation sigma equal 2. Find probability of x smaller than or equal 10. Number 2. If probability of x greater than or equal k equal 0.1056, then find the value of k. Solution. Probability of x smaller than or equal 10 equals, we can transform x to z. Probability of x smaller than 10 equals probability of z smaller than or equal 10 minus 8 over 2. X transform to z, 10 minus mu over sigma, mu equals 8, sigma equals 2, equals probability of z smaller than or equals 10 minus 8 equal 2 over 2 equals 1. We can draw this figure, which is called Bill 1 z smaller than or equal equals 0.5 plus probability of 0 smaller than or equal z smaller than or equal 1 equals 0.5 plus, by looking for number 1 in the table, equals 0.3413 equals 0.8413. Number 2, probability of x greater than or equal k equals 0.1056. double shaped we must transform x to z greater than or equal k minus mu, which equal 8, over sigma, which equal 2, equal 0.1056. K minus 8 over 2, which equal 0.5 minus probability of 0 smaller than or equal z smaller than or equal k minus 8 over 2 equal 0.1056. Probability of 0 smaller than or equal z smaller than or equal k minus 8 over 2 equals 0.5 minus 0.1056 equals 0.3944. By looking for the number 0.3944 inside the table, we find that it lies in the digit 1.25, which equal k minus 8 over 2 by cross multiplications. Therefore, k equal 10.5. Question number 9. Let x be a normal random variable with mean mu and standard deviation sigma equal to. If probability of x greater than 6 equals 0.19, then find the value of mu. Solution. Probability of x transform to z greater than 6 minus mu over sigma, 6 minus mu over sigma equals 0.19. Draw this figure. Six minus mu over 2 equals 0.5 minus probability of 0 smaller than or equal z smaller than or equal 6 minus mu over sigma, which equal 2. equals 0.19 equals probability of 0 smaller than or equal z smaller than or equal 6 minus mu over 2 equals 0.5 minus 0.19 equal 0.31. By looking for the number 0.3100 inside the table, we find the digit. It lies in the digit equals 0.88, which is equal 6 minus mu over 2 over 1 by cross multiplication. Therefore, mu equals 4.24. Question number 10. If x is normal random variable with mean mu and standard deviation sigma, then find number 1 probability of x greater than mu, number 2 probability of mu minus 2 sigma smaller than x smaller than mu plus sigma. Solution. Number 1 probability of x greater than mu equal probability of x transformed to z greater than mu minus mu over sigma. Mu minus mu equals 0. 0 over sigma equals 0 equals b of z greater than 0 equal 0.5. Number 2 probability of mu minus 2 sigma over minus mu over sigma smaller than x transformed to z smaller than mu plus sigma minus mu over sigma. Sigma minus sigma cancel. Mu minus mu cancel. Sigma over sigma cancel. Probability of minus 2 smaller than z smaller than mu. Negative mu cancel. Sigma over sigma equal 1. P of negative 2 smaller than z smaller than 1. We can draw this figure. Negative 2, 1, P of 0 smaller than z smaller than 1 plus p of 0 smaller than z smaller than 2 by looking for number 1 and number 2 in the table. We find 0.4772 plus 0.3413 equal 0.8185. The weights of students in a certain college are normally distributed with mean 65 kilogram and standard deviation sigma. If the weight of 33% of students are greater than 70 kilogram, then number 1, find the value of sigma. Number 2, if the total number of students is 1,000, then find the number of students whose weights are less than 67.5 kilogram. Solution. Number 1, probability of x greater than 70 equal 0.33. 33% means 0.33. We draw probability of x transformed to z greater than 70 minus mu, which equal 65 over sigma equals 0.33. Probability of z greater than 70 minus 65 equal 5 over sigma equal 0.33 or 33. 5 over sigma probability of z greater than or equal 5 over sigma equals 0.33 equals 0.5 minus probability of 0 smaller than or equal z smaller than or equal 5 over sigma equal 0.33. Therefore, probability of 0 smaller than or equal z smaller than or equal 5 over sigma equal 0.5 minus 0.17 3 equal 0.17. By looking for the number 0.1700 inside the table, we find that it lies in the digit 0.44 equals 5 over sigma. By cross multiplication, therefore sigma equal 11.36. Number 2, probability of x less than 67.5 equals probability of x transformed to z less than 67.5 minus mu over sigma. Mu equals 65 over sigma equal 11.36. Equals probability of z smaller than 0.22. We can draw this figure. (0.22) equals 0.5 plus p of 0 smaller than z smaller than 0.22. By looking for the number 0.22 in the table, we find this number 0.0871 plus 0.5 equals 0.5871. Therefore, number of students equals 0.5871 by 1000 equals 587. Question number 12. A firm wants to study the relationship between its publicity expenditure X in thousands of LE and the size of sales Y in 1,000 units if the data of its 8 branches are X equal 19, 18, 7, 10, 4, 13, 15, 5, Y equal 12, 4, 7, 7, 6, 13, 10, 12. Then calculate the rank correlation coefficient between the publicity expenditure and size of sales. Determine its type. We must arrange value of x ascending or descending. We now arrange value of x descending from the greatest to the smallest. 19 equal number 1, 18 number 2, 15 number 3, 13 number 4, 10 number 5, 7 number 6, sorry, 4, 5 number 7 before 4, 4 number 8. Arrange value of y descending from the greatest to the smallest. We have 12 number 1, 12 number 2, therefore 12 1.5. Sorry, 13 number 1 because the greatest value. 12 number 2, 12 number 2, 3, 2 plus 3 equal 5, divided to 2.5, 2.5. Number 4, 6 number 7, 7 number 5, 7 number 6, divided to 5.5, 5.5 for number 8. This is the rank of value of x, and this is the rank of value of y. 19 is first, 18 is second, 15 is third, 13 is fourth, 10 is fifth, 7 is sixth, 4 is eighth, 5 is seventh. 1, 2, 6, 5, 8, 4, 3, 7. 12, its rank equal 2.5. Rank of 4 equal 8. Rank of 7, 5.5. Rank of 7, 5.5. Rank of 6 equal 7. Rank of 13 equal 1 because it is the first, because it is the greatest. Rank of 10 equal 4. Rank of 12, 2.5. We must form this table, which consists of 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first column, value of x, 19, 18, 7, 10, 4, 13, 15, 5. Value of y, 12, 4, 7, 7, 6, 13, 10, 12. Rank of x, 1, 2, 6, 5, 8, 4, 3, 7. Rank of y, 2.5, 8, 5.5, 5.5, 7, 1, 4, 2.5. D means difference between rank of x and rank of y. 1 minus 2.5 equal negative 1.5. 2 minus 8 equal negative 6. 6 minus 5.5 equal half. 5 minus 5.5 equal negative half. 8 minus 7 equal 1. 4 minus 1 equal 3. 3 minus 4 equal negative 1. 7 minus 2.5 equal 4.5. D power 2 means negative 1.5 all power 2 equal 2.25. Negative 6 power 2 equal 36. Half power 2 equal quarter. Negative half power 2 equal quarter. 1 power 2 equal 1. 3 power 2 equal 9. Negative 1 power 2 equal 1. 4.5 power 2 equal 20.25. Summation of this square equal 70. R equals 1 minus 6 sum of D power 2 over N by N power 2 minus 1 equals 1 minus 6 by 70 over 8 by 63 equal 0.17. It's a type of direct correlation. Question number 13. The following table gives the scores of 6 students in history and geography in a certain faculty. Score in history: excellent, pass, good, excellent. Score in geography: good, pass, good, very good. Calculate the rank correlation coefficient between the scores. Arrange the score in history descending from the greatest to the smallest. Excellent number 1, excellent number 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3, divided 2 equals 1.5. Good number 3, good number 4, 3 plus 4 equals 7, divided 2 equals 3.5, 3.5. Pass number 6, pass number 5, 5 plus 6 equal 11, divided 2 equals 5.5, 5.5. Rank of excellent 1.5, rank of pass 5.5, rank of good 3.5, rank of pass 5.5, rank of good equals 3.5, rank of excellent 1.5. Also, arrange the score in geography descending from the greatest to the smallest. Very good number 1. Very good number 1. Good number 2. Good number 3. Good number 4. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4 equal 9. Divided 3 because we have 3 good. Therefore, rank of good equal 3. 3. Pass number 5, pass number 6. 5 plus 6 equal 11, divided 2 equal 5.5. Rank of good equal 3, rank of pass equal 5.5, rank of pass equal 5.5, rank of good equal 3, rank of good equal 3, rank of very good equal 1. we must form this table, which formed from 6 columns. The first column rank history, X, excellent, pass, good, excellent. Second column, Y, geography, good, pass, good, very good. Third column, ranks of X, which equal 1.5, 5.5, 3.5, 5.5, 3.5, 1.5. Fourth column, ranks of Y, which equal 3, 5.5, 5.5, 3, 3, 1. Fifth column, D, difference between ranks of X and ranks of Y. 1.5 minus 3 equal negative 1.5. 5.5 minus 5.5 equal 0. 3.5 minus 5.5 equal negative 2. 5.5 minus 3 equal 2.5. 3.5 minus 3 equal 0.5. 1.5 minus 1 equal 0.5. Last column, D power 2, negative 1.5 squared equal 2.25. 0 power 2 equal 0. Negative 2 power 2 equal 4. 2.5 power 2 equal 6.25. 0.5 power 2 equal 0.25. 0.5 power 2 equal 0.25. Sum of this squared equal 13. Therefore, R equal 1 minus 6 sum of D power 2 over N power 2 minus 1 equals 1 minus 6 by 13 over 6 by 35 equals 0.63. Question number 14. The following table shows the price per unit X in pounds and the number of the demanded quantity Y for a certain commodity. Price of unit X, which equal 2, 4, 5, 3, 11. Number of units Y, which equal 6, 5, 3, 4, 2. Find the equation of the regression line of Y on X. Hence, estimate the number of units when the price of each is LE 6 pounds. Answer. We must form the table which formed from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 column. First column is value of X equals 2, 4, 5, 3, 11. Sum of X equal 25. Second column, value of Y 6, 5, 3, 4, 2. Sum of Y equal 20. Third column, X power 2. 2 power 2 equal 4. 4 power 2 equal 16. 5 power 2 equal 25. 3 power 2 equal 9. 11 power 2 equal 121. Sum of X power 2 equal 175. Fourth column, Y power 2. 6 power 2 equal 36. 5 power 2 equal 25. 3 power 2 equal 9. 4 power 2 equal 16. 2 power 2 equal 14. sum of y power 2 equal 90. Last column x y means 2 by 6 equal 12, 4 by 5 equal 20, 5 by 3 equal 15, 3 by 4 equal 12, 11 by 2 equal 22. Sum of xy equal 81. A equal n sum of x y minus sum x sum y over n sum x power 2 minus sum x all power 2 equals 5 by 81 minus 25 by 20 over 5 by 175 يعني 175 minus 25 power 2 equals negative 0.38. B equals sum y minus a sum of x over n equals 20 plus 0.38 by 25 over 5 equals 5.1. The equation y equal ax plus b, therefore y equal negative 0.38 x plus 5.9 when x equal 6, therefore y equal 3.62. Question number 15. If the regression coefficient of y on x is negative 0.48 and if the linear correlation coefficient between x and y is negative 0.95, then find the regression coefficient of x on y. Solution. Since a equal negative 0.48 and r equal negative 0.95, therefore c equal r power 2 over a equals negative 0.95 power 2 over negative 0.48 equals negative 1.88. The sign of R and A and C must be the same sign. R and A and C must be the same sign. We finish the final revision on statistics. Until we meet again, goodbye.